Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're watching my video for the very first time, I'm Priyanshi. Make videos related to makeup, skincare, and lifestyle. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. And let's not waste the time and get into the video. So, as you guys have already read in the title, this video is all about makeup for teenagers slash beginners. So, basically, in this video, I will tell the all the makeup products which will glam up your look in teenage or you are if you have just started the makeup. So let's get started. I feel quite nostalgic for this video because in my teenage, I the most fascinating thing was lip balms. I used to collect a lot of lip balms in my teenage, and literally, and I'm shocked by the collection I'm having from that time. So the first product I want to include in this video is will be lip balms. So let me tell you about the good lip balms available online or in general stores too. So for my girls who want glossy shine on their lips, then you can go for a lip gloss. There are many lip gloss, but I have came across one that I fall in love with is this Swiss Beauty Gloss Me lip gloss, and let me apply it on my lips and show you its shine. Yeah, it's that amazing. Yeah, it instantly glosses up your look. It glams up your look. So it is that amazing. So if you are a fan of a gloss, go for this. I'll have talked about it. If you want a separate review of this, I will do it on my IG or YouTube. If you want, then please comment down. So the first lip balm I want to talk about is this Livia lip balm. It is easily available on your local store, in any of your local store, and if it is available online, then I'll link it down. It is having a super good formula. So if you are looking for lip balm in under budget, then this is the one to go for. So definitely try this one. So the next lip balm I want to talk about is this VLCC lip balm. So it is also a super good lip balm. It is having a buttery sort of a formula. When you apply it on lips, you will feel butter on lips. So it is that good. And it is also cheap. It is like of 15 rupees. So you can easily get it anywhere in your local store. It is, I think so, it is not available online. If it will be available, then I'll link it down in the description box. Otherwise, get it from the local store. It is super amazing. So the next lip balm I want to talk about is this Himalaya Strawberry Shine Lip Care. You can get it in another variant also. So it is also super good lip balm. If you want some tint on your lip balm, not like a lipstick but like a lip balm tint, then it is one. It is also like of 180 or 150 rupees. It is super affordable. It will help you improve your chapped lips. It will hydrate you also. So it is a good lip balm. Use it. So the next lip balm which I want to talk about is this Maybelline Baby Lips. And if you guys are like a fan of a lipstick and don't want to apply lipstick, this is the one to go for. Let me swatch it for you guys to show the color and the consistency. So you can see this is such a pigmented lip balm. If you don't want to apply lipstick, go for this. And this you can use it for a blush too. If you don't want to buy a blush, use it on your cheeks. Okay, this is a so good one. So the next lip balm which I want to talk about is not available with me. I mean to say that I can't find it. So it is Biotique Bio Almond Lip Balm. I have already reviewed it on my IG. So if you're not following me on IG, then do follow me. I'll link it down in the description box. So that lip balm is super good. That is super good. I can't hype it more because I have already talked it about it so much that it is of 25 rupees and you can easily get it. I'll link it down in description box where to buy and how to buy. So please have a look on it. It is super duper good lip balm. So the next lip balm I want to talk about is this Blue Heaven, this small tub. So you know what? This is available on local stores also only, and I think so. It is of 10 rupees. It is super affordable, and it is super good too. It doesn't have any tint. It has that strawberry shine, but it will moisturize your lips. So if you want to use it at home, if you don't want tint, then go for this lip balm. So, the last but not the least, I want to talk about this product, this Vaseline. Yes, our best friend since ages. This you can use anywhere and everywhere. So, this is that amazing. If you don't want to use any of the lip balms I have already mentioned, go for this. This is amazing. You know its properties and all. It help you improve your chapped lips, so it is super good. So the next product I want to talk about are eyeliners. So eyeliners is also a thing that everyone uses in their teenage. So the first product I want to include in this video is this Blue Heaven liner, and this was the liner I used to use in my teenage, and it is having a super good consistency, super good formula. It is not waterproof, but it is water resistant. So let me swatch it for you guys. It is super amazing. So this is a Blue Heaven one liner. So once it dries down, it will resist water, but it doesn't it is not waterproof. So the next liner I want to talk about is this Insight one liner. So this is an amazing liner. I got to know about it recently, and it is also like 100 rupees liner, and it is having a super good consistency. Let me swatch it for you guys. It is having quite a shiny formula that it will dry shiny. So this is the Insight one. Okay, this is the Insight one liner. So it is having a super good consistency and super good formula. Go for this. So the next liner I want to talk about is this Lakme Insta liner. This is super amazing product, and let me swatch it for you guys. The only con for this product is it takes forever to dry. Yes, literally it takes forever to dry. You know what? I when I apply it, I sit for like 5 to 10 minutes to wait. Okay, then I apply further makeup. So it is this. It is also having a black formula, and it dries matte, but the only con is it takes forever to dry. Otherwise, it is a super good product. Give it a try. So the next product I want to talk about are mascaras, and for mascaras, I cannot recommend any other brand than Maybelline. This Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara is amazing. It is amazing. It serves the purpose. Let me show you their wand. Their wand is like this. It curls your lashes. It volumes up your lashes. It is super amazing. Get hands on this. Irrespective of your age, get hands on this. This is super amazing formula. And other than this, Maybelline Colossal mascara is also good. So you can give that a try if you find it expensive, because it is of like 510 rupees for waterproof variant, and for water for not that is non waterproof, that is of around 500 rupees. So you can definitely give it a try. It is highly recommended thing. So the next product I want to talk about are kajals. So kajal is also a thing that everyone applies. So the first kajal I want to show you is this L18 L18 kajal, and this is super affordable kajal. If you are a beginner, if you are going to start working from kajal, then this is the one. The one thing I want to say is that it budges a lot, it smudges a lot. So if you're not fan of a smudging formula, don't apply this. Otherwise, it's super good, it's super good consistency, it is super affordable, it is highly recommended. So the next product I want to talk about is these Blue Heaven kajals. These are available in three variant, I guess. These three only. So let me swatch it for you guys. The hair also problem is same. It smudges a lot. Otherwise, it is a good one. It is a good liner. And the to save you from this problem, the one method I can tell you, that if you apply some good moisturizer or a cream under your eyes, and then apply some face powder, then this kajal will not smudge at all. Then no kajal will smudge. So you can use that technique. So I have already swatched it for you guys. So look at the pigment. So the next kajal I want to talk about is this Maybelline Colossal Kajal. And I love this. I love this kajal. It doesn't smudges at all. It is super affordable. Let me swatch it for you guys. It is super amazing formula. It is the only con for this kajal is that it it is quite harsh on eyelids, I guess. It is quite harsh. It's like tip is quite stiff, I guess. Okay. Otherwise, it's a good kajal. Okay, it's a super good kajal. Give it a try. Give it a try. So the next kajal I want to talk about is this Lakme Iconic Kajal. This is also a good kajal. It is having a super good formula. It is a super buttery formula. The only con for this is it smudges a lot. If you'll apply it like right now, after 5 minutes, you look at your eyes and it will smudge a lot. So that's the only con for this. Otherwise, if you are like okay with that, if you can do some tricks to avoid smudging and all, then you can use this kajal. This is amazing. This is of the shade Regal Green, and I have already completed like finished it. Sorry, I have finished it, so I can't swatch it for you guys. Otherwise, it was a decent color. And the another product I want to talk about is some base makeup. So I know in teenage you will not apply like foundation every day, but you need to even tone your skin. The one product I would suggest is this CC cream. So use the CC cream to conceal your spots, to even tone your skin. It will instantly give you a glow. So it is having this consistency. Let me show it to you guys. So this it it like super absorbs in your skin, and this is having an amazing formula. Okay, so see, it instantly absorbs in your skin. Get the right shade and use this. This is super amazing cream. And the last product I want to talk about are face powders. So face powders are must for makeup setting and all. So the two face powders I'm having currently, which are and affordable also, and you can use it regularly. This is one for from L18 one, and this is an amazing face powder. You can use it. It is around 100 rupees. And the second one is Lakme Radiance face powder, and this is also super affordable. You can use it. You'll get a puff inside. There's I usually do not prefer puff to apply face powder. You can use a brush instead. So face powder, these two are super good. So the last thing I want to talk about is this is not subjective to gender. If you are a male, if you are a female, if you apply makeup, if you don't apply makeup, the first and foremost important thing you have to do is apply a moisturizer, then sunscreen, then only you should apply any type of makeup. And if you want me to do a separate review of good moisturizers, good sunscreens in available online or in local stores, you can comment down in the video. I can suggest you those also. So please apply moisturizer and a good sunscreen, because it is necessary. And that's it. That's it for my video. So I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment down in my video. So, and don't forget to press bell notifications for further updates. And see you soon with the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.